Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how exciting it can be to manage your assets across different wallets. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial: how to send Dogecoin from your Phantom wallet to a Tangem wallet in 2025. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Phantom wallet and Tangem wallet apps installed on your device and that you're logged in. Phantom is great for its user-friendly interface, especially for Solana-based assets, but we'll be focusing on Dogecoin here. Start by opening your Phantom wallet on your phone or computer. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard. Look for the Assets, or Tokens, section and select Dogecoin from your list of holdings. If Dogecoin isn't showing up, double-check that it's added. Phantom supports a wide range of tokens, including Doge. Next, grab your Tangem wallet address. Open the Tangem app, go to the Receive section, and copy the specific address for Dogecoin. This is crucial, so paste it somewhere safe to avoid any typos. Heads up: always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Now, back in Phantom, hit the Send button next to your Dogecoin balance. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which are usually minimal for Dogecoin. Paste the Tangem address into the recipient field, review everything, and confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After you confirm, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Tangem wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Dogecoin. This method keeps your crypto secure and portable. A quick tip: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra safety. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.